Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be sharing a tool that you may have no idea that it is already installed in your PC, and you have no idea or not even using it or not even know about it. So it would be cool. Now what this tool does, so basically it does is it generate reports of website performances, like performance of a particular web page, like in terms of accessibility, UI, speed performance, like how it loads and all, and other parameters, ACO. Okay, so there's many people who don't even know about it, that they already have it. So it would be great. Just let me show you the website, the tool, and you gonna be like, what, you gonna be exclaimed or something like that. So let me just show you. So here you can see I have opened a Chrome tab and I have basically searched hello. You can do anything and you can load any page. So the Chrome is your secret tool that you don't know about. So how will we check the website performance and all? Like I want to check a website like performance of this page and all, UI of this, like in terms of everything. So how will I do that within Chrome? So just right click on inspect and go to this last option, that is Lighthouse. And here you can see you have so many categories, like in terms of performance, progressive web app, best practices, accessibility, and ACO, and obviously publisher ad also. And you can even generate report here. So how cool is that? Like not everyone knew about it. Obviously most of the people have Chrome browser installed in their PC, but they don't know about it. Most of the web developers also don't know about it. So it's great. I found it out recently and I started using it. Now don't like expect something high quality or professional like ACM rush or something like that. Yeah, it can't generate like that, but it's quite good enough. So let me just show you. Just click on generate report. It will just obviously analyze the website and generate the report for you. So Lighthouse is warming up, edit, and gathering information. 1 MB takes minimum of 5 seconds to download. 3G connection off. It is showing me the data also while it is auditing, so that's something great as well. So let's let it just finish. I don't think it will take too much time. 70% of mobile pages taking. So those are great datas. You can keep those in mind so you can use just later. Great tips actually. Almost there. Lighthouse is now okay. Another data. See, it has generated the report, and I don't know why Google have generated their own report this much bad. Performance 40. Google, if you are watching it, just see your own results and improve it, man. I don't know how can it be possible, but somehow it's possible. And it's quite good, to be honest. It's a quite good report, and you can save it as well, I think. Yes, print the summary, print expanded, or copy as JSON file, save as HTML file. You can do that also. Open in viewer. Let's open in viewer. Let's see what. Okay, I have to drag and drop the JSON file from here. What? Paste the JSON or gist URL, obviously. I have to paste that here. So here is the gist URL actually. So okay. Not clickable, bro. I don't know clickable. Whatever. If you wanna try it, you can try it out as well. I am just okay with this portion right now because it is quite fair enough. Performance 40, accessibility 68. Why? Accessibility 68. Google, if you are watching. So whatever. That's it about this little tip. Use it. Obviously it will be helpful, and you don't have to go through other websites to check your own website now. Like, you don't have to pay other websites or other web apps if you want to generate simple reports and like find out simple bugs and all. So this is enough. So that's it for now. If you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great hidden resource or hidden features like this, or APIs or open sources, designs, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.